Today I'm going to be reviewing BIYUNRO's small pocket notebook. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really nice, really small. You can see here is my hand. It's got a nice little strap to keep it protected, to keep it closed. This also has a bookmark right there, has a place to put your pen or your pencil, anything like that. This has 160 pages, 80 sheets, front and back. Real nice paper, a little bit harder than normal that you would see, 3.7 by 5.7, so super tiny. It says leather, but it is faux leather. Has a really nice feel to it, really nice look to it. Nice little pattern right there. There is the back. Just overall really nice. I know it'd be easy just to write things down on your phone and all that. Sometimes it's nice to go back to the basics, or like with my son, I got him one of these in order to put down when he's working out. He can keep a journal of each week and how he's doing. Also an Amazon choice, which I love to see. It does really well. It gets 4.7 stars, 637 reviews, and over 400 plus of just this color. There's a bunch of other colors. They're all really nice. These are inexpensive. So if you're looking for a nice little journal to take with you or give as a gift, check out BIYUNRO.